Although the speed of light cannot be exceeded, but there are things in the universe that have been traveling faster than the speed of light since the beginning of the universe. So their existence doesn't violate the laws of physics. Today we're going to experience speed time together from slow to fast. What's traveling faster than the speed of light? Watch the video and you'll get your answer. Human toenails grow at a rate of about 1 millimeter a month. If you run 100 meters at the rate of toenail growth, it takes 8,333 years to get to the finish line. E. coli moves at a rate of 1.2 centimeters per hour in the human body. They gain momentum by spinning the flagellum on their bodies. It's slow going, though. But the flagellum on their bodies not only spins at a rate of up to 270 revolutions per second. Its structure also has many similarities to a man-made motor. This whole life is like a tower of trees in slow motion. It takes 1 minute to move a short distance of 2 meters. In order not to be preyed upon by carnivores, they basically live in trees all the time. Only when you have a bowel movement, they must have climbed down the tree and finished on the ground. That's why this is the most dangerous time of their lives. Interjection of surprise. The average adult walks at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour. 8 kilometers per hour when jogging. Bolt set a new world record in the 100-meter dash in 2009 with a time of 9:58, setting the fastest running speed in mankind at 45 kilometers per hour. Nevertheless, it's the highest human speed in the world that only one man, Bolt, out of 7.8 billion people can run. In the animal kingdom, it's nothing. The speed of a German Shepherd at full gallop is around 48 kilometers per hour. The average house cat can also run 47-48 km/h when running seriously. And of all the herbivores on the surface, the fastest runner is this antelope called the forkhorn antelope. At just 4 days old, a pronghorn can run faster than a man. Adult fork-legged bells can jump up to 6 meters in a single leap. Maximum running speed up to 97 kilometers per hour. And amazing stamina. The fastest animal on the surface is the cheetah. They can accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds. Maximum speed up to 120 kilometers per hour. When the panther is running at full speed. 1 foot at a time. Every second. About 3 steps. Cheetahs are the only cat-shelled animals that can't retract their claws. That's why they have dull claws. Acts as a running shoe slant ice, allows them to cling to the ground while running at high speeds. No falling or slipping. Australian tennis player Sam Groths reached 263 kilometers per hour on a serve in 2012. We can't even see the tennis ball through the lens. When our fingers touch something hot or cold, the body transfers signals from the fingers back to the brain. The speed is about 288 kilometers per hour. This high rate of nerve conduction can help us avoid danger in time. A person sneezes at speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour. This speed is close to the top speed of the Giant's Head high-speed train, including all the animals on land, sea and air. The fastest moving animal on Earth is the one that has damage. They only travel at about 100 kilometers per hour in horizontal flight. But when locking on to a good ground prey dive downward, dive speeds of up to 390 kilometers per hour are possible. This is faster than the top speed of a Formula 1 car, faster. In a badminton match in 2017, Denmark's Kolding hits a 426 km per hour snare. This speed breaks the record held by Lee Chong-wei up to 417 km per hour. If the ball lands in the catcher's eye, there's a high risk of blindness. The fastest form of transportation available to the average person, a commercial airplane, has a cruising speed of 800 to 900 km per hour. The world's fastest car, the THS-TSSC, has 2 fighter jet turbofan engines on board. It's a special vehicle designed to break speed records. 1997. This car ran 1,227 km per hour highway in a challenge. It's a new world record. Sound travels at a speed of 1,225 km per hour through the air. That's why TSSC also became the first car to break the sound photo on land. The Earth rotates once every 24 hours. Based on the equatorial region, 1 revolution of the Earth is 40,000 kilometers. Converted to speed, the equatorial region rotates at speeds of up to 1,700 kilometers per hour. An X-43A test aircraft developed by NASA during a flight test in November 2004 It flew at Mach 9.8. That's 9.8 times the speed of sound at 11,200 kilometers per hour. The highest speed flown by any major human-carrying vehicle was achieved by Apollo 10, the manned lunar landing vehicle. Apollo 10 on its return to Earth from the Moon. At one point, it reached a high speed of 39,897 kilometers per hour. And if you want to escape the gravitational pull of the Sun and fly out of the solar system, it must travel at the third cosmic velocity of 61,000 kilometers per hour. February 15, 2013, a 17-meter diameter, the 7,000-ton meteorite is presumed to have exceeded the third cosmic speed of Mach 54. That's 66,152 kilometers per hour heading towards Russia. Withdrawal from Apinsk-Chau. Scientists have calculated that if the meteorite had hit the ground, it will generate the power of a 200G Hiroshima bomb at the moment of impact. Luckily, the meteorite exploded 24 kilometers above the ground. A catastrophe was spared. The Earth revolves around the Sun at a speed of up to 108,000 kilometers per hour. In other words, living on Earth, we've been moving through cosmic space at this high speed. 1982. Scientists have discovered US 708, a star moving at high speeds within the Milky Way. It's moving at a staggering 4.3 million kilometers per hour. At that speed, it would take only 5 minutes to fly from Earth to the Moon. USS 708 is moving faster than the escape velocity of the galaxy. So in the distant future, this star will fly out of the galaxy. But it's such a high speed, it's only 0.39% of the speed of light. Light travels in a vacuum at 1,800,000,000 kilometers per hour. That's about 300,000 kilometers per second. Although the Sun is 149.6 million kilometers away from the Earth. But light from the Sun travels to Earth in 8 minutes and 20 seconds. And it takes only 2 seconds to travel from the Earth to the Moon at the speed of light. Although according to Einstein's special theory of relativity, the speed of light cannot be exceeded. But there is something in the universe that has traveled faster than the speed of light since the moment the universe was created. The first to exceed the speed of light was the speed of the expanding universe. Scientists observe the cosmic microwave background radiation and many other aspects of the universe. It confirms that the entire universe is in a state of accelerated expansion. And the farther away we are, the faster galaxies are leaving us. And these galaxies are moving away from us faster than the speed of light. This phenomenon does not violate special relativity. Because objects can't move faster than the speed of light, this law only applies to objects moving in space. It doesn't apply to the rate of expansion of space itself. The second thing that exceeds the speed of light is a particle called a chopstick. The concept of chopsticks was introduced by physicist Gerald in his 1967 paper The Possibility of FTL as an Ion. The paper states, chopsticks will always move faster than the speed of light. And it will never slow down below the speed of light. The existence of such chopsticks does not conflict with special relativity. Because special relativity is stationary as the speed of an object beyond the speed of light. It doesn't prohibit FTL itself. In other words, chopsticks moving at FTL speeds from the beginning do not violate special relativity. Without doubt, scientists have yet to actually observe chopsticks. He's still only in the theoretical stage.